Welcome to Beautyistic, where we bring you the most in-depth and honest reviews of beauty products that promise to transform your routine. If you're someone who struggles with dry, cracked cuticles, or brittle nails, you might already know how frustrating it can be to find the right solution. So, today, we're taking a closer look at the Emma Beauty Intensive Rejuvenating Cuticle Balm. This cuticle balm promises to hydrate, restore, and keep your nails looking healthy with a cruelty-free and vegan formula. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. The Emma Beauty Intensive Rejuvenating Cuticle Balm is a 0.5-ounce glass jar designed to deliver deep hydration and smoothing effects for your cuticles and nails. The formula is infused with vitamins A, D, E, and B complex, all known for their skin healing and nourishing properties. The balm is intended to be applied before bedtime, where it works overnight to hydrate and prevent dryness, while also tackling any hangnails that may cause discomfort. The idea behind this product is simple but promising. Repair and restore those delicate cuticles and nails while you sleep, so you wake up to softer, healthier-looking hands. When I first used the Emma Beauty Cuticle Balm, I noticed how rich and creamy the texture was. It's not greasy, which is a huge plus, especially when it comes to a product like this. I've tried a lot of cuticle balms that leave my skin feeling oily, but this one absorbed beautifully, leaving my cuticles feeling soft and nourished without that sticky residue. I applied it before bed, as suggested, massaging it gently into my cuticles and nail plates. The next morning, I could immediately see an improvement. My cuticles were less dry, and my nails look shinier and healthier. I love that it's so simple to incorporate into my routine, just one extra step at night for noticeable results. Now, as far as performance goes, I'd say this product shines in terms of hydration. It works well for softening dry, cracked cuticles, and I found that I didn't need to worry about hangnails as much after consistent use. However, it's not a miracle worker. If you have really damaged cuticles or nails, you may need to pair this balm with other treatments for a more intensive approach. Pros: hydrating and soothing, instantly relieves dryness and prevents further cracking. Non-greasy texture, absorbs quickly, making it perfect for nighttime use. Vegan and cruelty-free. If these values matter to you, this product checks those boxes. Rich and nourishing vitamins. Vitamins A, D, and B complex help support healthy skin and nails. Cons: small size. At 0.5 ounces, it may not last as long if you have larger or more persistent dry patches. Not an instant fix for severely damaged cuticles. If your cuticles are extremely cracked or you're dealing with serious nail health issues, you may need something stronger. When it comes to value for money, I think the Emma Beauty Cuticle Balm is fairly priced for what it offers. While it's not the cheapest option on the market, it's definitely worth the investment for people who struggle with dry cuticles and nails. The quality of ingredients and the performance make it a solid choice if you're looking for a simple yet effective solution. Now, if you're someone who prefers to look at alternatives, there are certainly other cuticle balms out there. Some cheaper options, like Burt's Bees Lemon Butter Cuticle Cream, offer similar benefits, although the texture is slightly different. Burt's Bees is also a well-established natural brand if you're looking for something more affordable, but keep in mind that the texture is more solid and may not absorb quite as quickly. In terms of build quality, the glass jar is a nice touch. It feels sturdy and has a sleek, elegant vibe that elevates the overall experience. It's a small detail, but I always appreciate when beauty products use packaging that feels premium. As for longevity, I've been using the Emma Beauty Cuticle Balm for a few weeks now, and it seems to be holding up well. I haven't noticed any drastic changes in my cuticles yet, but I do see ongoing improvement with consistent use. The jar itself has enough product to last a couple of months, depending on how frequently you apply it. So, does the Emma Beauty Intensive Rejuvenating Cuticle Balm live up to its claims? Yes, but with a couple of caveats. It's a solid, affordable solution for daily cuticle care, and the results are definitely noticeable after consistent use. However, if you have extremely dry or damaged cuticles, this might not be the only product you need to bring your nails back to life. If this review has been helpful, please hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss an honest review. Your support helps us continue bringing you the best in beauty. Thank you so much for watching today. If you've tried the Emma Beauty Cuticle Balm, drop a comment below and share your thoughts. Or if you're still on the hunt for a great cuticle treatment, check out the links in the description box for more information. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.